Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best faucet website. You can claim DGB from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you every 5 minutes 25 times claim this much DGB to your faucet pay account. Okay, if you don't have faucet pay account, link in description. Click the link and make a faucet pay account. Go to deposit, copy dogecoin wallet address and come here and paste it. Okay, just click login. Solve this little capture. This one is a 9 4 10 and 5, and just solve this capture too. Okay, just click it and you can solve this capture. This one is a train. You can just click the trains available in this picture. This one is a train too. Okay, and just click check and wait some seconds and just click get reward. And this website pay you instantly in your faucet pay account. Go to your user dashboard and you can see this website pay you instantly in your faucet pay account. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.